Are you still drawing flowers the same way? Let's try some new fun ways. We'll use dots, lines, and shapes to create flowers. First, use a light color to dot the flower's shape. Then add a darker color for the depth. Finally, use green for the stem and leaves. Now let's draw with lines. Think of the flower center as a button. Draw lines outward like little arms, then add a dot in the middle. A cute daisy is done. Or create your own flower. Start with blue lines and yellow dots for seeds. And use purple lines for petals. Another way is using big shapes. Draw the flower, fill it with color, and add darker patterns for details. Mix dots, lines, and shapes together. Combine them any way you like to make your dream flower. What if flowers were people? Imagine one with spiky, colorful hair, sunglasses, and a guitar rocking out. Or a tiny flower hugging Mummy's leg, crying, "Don't go, Mummy!" Which flower do you like the most? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Love you, bye!